Hello and welcome to Goff Legal. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder. I'm excited to have you here because we are talking about powers of attorney for finance in this video. So I'm going to go over what you should know about them, some decisions you might need to make so that you can make an informed decision when you eventually go into the office, meet with the attorney, and talk about powers of attorney. So, two important things to note. The first one is healthcare powers of attorney are different. They deal with medical decisions, and we're not talking about that today. The second thing is we're talking about powers of attorney for finance. Oftentimes, this is called a durable power of attorney. The word durable is important. It means it continues on even if you're incapacitated. So most people get a power of attorney because they might become incapacitated someday. Think car accident, coma, cognitive decline like dementia, those sorts of things. So oftentimes when someone comes in and we talk about what do you need to avoid court orders like a conservatorship or probate, the power of attorney for finance, a durable power of attorney for finance, is the document that will allow us as the people who are still cognizant and making good decisions to administer someone's estate, pay their bills, make financial decisions for them. That's the power of attorney that keeps us out of conservatorship land. And then, of course, the trust keeps us out of probate land. Also, different video, not going over that right now. So, durable, non-durable, those are the first two terms you need to know. You likely would like a durable power of attorney. I get the question a lot. Well, what would I need a power of attorney for if it becomes ineffective the second I'm incapacitated? So there are limited powers of attorney, like you want to give someone authority to make a financial decision for this particular transaction. Let's say buying a house. You want to buy a house with someone, but you're headed out of the country. And you say, I give you a limited power of attorney to buy this particular house and sign all documents needed to effectuate this particular transaction. You wave, sayonara, you enjoy your trip to Europe. You come back and you say, thank you for buying that house for me. I very much appreciate it. Again, most people don't do that, but it is an option. That's one thing powers of attorney can do. The second thing, not second thing, just another thing you should know about powers of attorney. You're going to nominate someone or someones to make decisions for you, usually in order. You can name joint agents, although I usually strongly recommend against it. I recommend against it because you need to make sure that your two people are either making decisions together, that there's joint consent. Sometimes banks have problems with joint agents, so please be very careful and talk to your attorney about whether a joint power of attorney is a great idea for you. And then powers of attorney can be really expansive, right? You can give them tons and tons of authority, or you can give them not a lot of authority. And that really depends on your situation. That is a very attorney specific question. For most of our clients, they like to give a very broad spectrum of powers so that their agent can conduct business when they're gone without having to go to court or try and update this power of attorney. Because once you're incapacitated, you can't update this document. So it's really important to put as much in there as you are comfortable. So just know that there's tons of options. For most people, they're like, yep, I would like a power of attorney. And I want, when I'm incapacitated, my kid to make decisions for me. Easy. Done. We handled that. Or I don't want this power. I want to talk about this. All things we can handle. So hopefully that's helpful in your journey on powers of attorney. Remember, durable lives on after you're incapacitated. You're going to pick agents and you're going to give them authority. The last thing you want to think about is, when is this power of attorney going to be effective? It could be effective the second you sign it. That's an immediate power of attorney. You could have a springing power, which springs into action on a certain event or date. Usually that event would be your incapacity, meaning you want to be in control of your finances until you are not able to. And that date is usually a doctor or doctors have certified you to say, you don't get to make decisions anymore. You're not making great decisions. And then the power of attorney would become effective. Again, this is a conversation to have with your attorney. Do I want it to be effective immediately? Do I want someone to get two doctors or one doctor to certify that I'm incapacitated before they can act? Very important questions, just things you need to consider. So that is a very brief powers of attorney. I could go on for hours. That is a very brief intro into powers of attorney. I hope this video has been helpful. That was a slip. I look forward to helping you. If you have any questions, you can contact our office, info@Goff Legal, visit our website, gofflegal.com, and we'll see you later.